You may not notice, but your nervous system does. It feels the shift, the soft release, the absence of threat. And in that absence, healing begins. Let yourself drift deeper. Breathe, but don't manage your breath. Let the body take over. You're entering a space without language, where thoughts lose form, where memories dissolve, where time stops mattering. From here, the AI continues. Not in your mind, but in your subconscious. Each sound you hear now, each slow pulse, is tuned to support delta waves, the frequency of cellular restoration. Your muscles recover,